Yo, what's up YouTube? I know it's been a while. If you guys don't know, I'm moving to Owensboro, Kentucky in a few months, so we've been doing a lot of preparing for that. But today, we have the Stylecraft Rebel trimmer that we are going to unbox and check out with you guys. Alright guys, so first we have the Stylecraft Rebel. Here's the front of the box. Super torque trimmer. On the back here we have fixed stainless steel X Pro wide blade with DLC shallow cutter. 7,500 RPM. 3-hour cordless runtime. It does come with micro USB with the dock. It has skeleton design. I'm pretty sure it has both. So you can either have a skeleton or not. And of course it comes with the new blade setter that they released with the saber, clipper brush, oil, and screwdriver. Alright, so I went ahead and took everything out of the box. Here's the trimmer. Little spot back here for the USB charger. Has a zero gap setter. Comes with a pink lid and a black lid. I actually have the black lid at home because I'm going to paint it. And these are the pieces if you don't want it skeleton. It just kind of pops on right there and sits next to the blade. Comes with a black one, pink one. There's the blue one. Change the color of the power button also, screwdriver, micro USB. Does come with the dock and the cord. Go ahead and get this off. Slides off. Forgot. It does come with the X Pro blade. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and throw them on the dock, get them charged up, and then we'll test them out for you. Let's go. Hey, these things are crazy.
Yeah, they felt wonderful.
Alright, so I have actually been using the Rebel trimmer for a couple days now, and I can tell you that it is insane. Just the shape of it, I don't know if you guys know, but it's pretty much a upgraded version of the hitter. The body's different, motor is insane, and the blade is also different. I'm gonna go grab my hitters and show you. Alright, so here's the hitters. See, this part right here is completely round, and on the Rebel trimmer is flat. Here they are side by side. Obviously, just a different blade. This thing is it's crazy.